The 2027 Frankia Neo Liner is a compact Class A motorhome built on the Mercedes Sprinter chassis. It comes standard with a 150 horsepower engine, a 9-speed automatic transmission, and is available in 3.5-ton and 4.5-ton versions, with 2 floor plans. The motorhome measures 7 meters long, 2.24 meters wide, and 2.9 meters tall. A double-floor construction provides up to 2 meters of interior headroom, a flat floor throughout the cabin, multiple storage compartments, and a large rear pass-through garage beneath the elevated rear bed. Both floor plans include a front lounge, a midship kitchen, a full bathroom, and a rear bedroom. The bathroom uses folding shower doors with button-activated slide-out sink and toilet modules, while standard equipment includes a Truma Combi 6 heater, a 100 amp-hour battery, 100 watts of solar, and 125 liters of fresh water capacity. Pricing starts at €119,900, approximately $137,000.